y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I'm working on a beautiful fairy garden. I was super inspired by these primroses that were out at Lowe's. It's currently January in Zone 8A in Texas, and I just had to have them for a sweet little fairy garden. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and if you're an old friend returning, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you know when my latest videos come out. Hope you all enjoy. I picked up this sweet metal barn from the Target dollar spot around Christmas time. I had no idea what I was going to do with it at the time, but for $3, I couldn't pass it up. The next few accessories were all purchased on Amazon during the quarantine. I really like these. I've used them multiple times and they've held up really well over the seasons. Okay, you guys, hope you enjoyed that video so far, but now it's time for real time. Because a lot of times on YouTube, you see these beautiful gardens and these amazing gardeners who know so much, and rarely do you see the fails, and I failed on this one. I put this fairy garden outside later on in the week. It froze overnight. I forgot to bring it in. And while these primroses, they typically do okay with colder weather, they did not fare so well with this particular freeze. So I'm going to turn the camera around, give you guys a little show of it, and then I'm going to show you how I trim these back, so hopefully they'll revitalize and come back. Okay, you can see they definitely got some frostbite, looking pretty sad. So I'm going to give them a good watering, and then I'm going to trim them back and show you guys the new growth coming up. Okay, thanks so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And as always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else she wants to be. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when all my latest videos are up.